Welcome back, strategic thinkers. Today, we're diving into how to set up a rock-solid BATNA, your best alternative to a negotiated agreement in real estate negotiations. You'll see footage of Justin Webb using the BATNA framework step by step, but stick around to catch the full story of how this tool can give you the upper hand. If you're new here, I'm Chris, and this channel complements Justin's book, AI Powered Strategic Thinker 3, where he shares 88 strategic tools, one for practically any challenge. In this video, I'll show you how to harness your BATNA so you're prepared to walk away if terms aren't right. Let's get started. First, we identify the objective of the negotiation. Our house on Oak Ridge Lane needs to sell at or above $490,000 within 45 days. Next, we brainstorm every possible fallback plan if the buyer's offer falls short. In our case, that includes relisting, attracting new buyers, and exploring corporate or investor deals. Then, we analyze the current market. How are interest rates? What's the average sale price in this area? And which upgrades give us leverage? By comparing all possible alternatives, we pick the best one as our BATNA, seeking new buyers if this current deal doesn't match our target price or timeline. From there, we create a simple action plan. Set a firm bottom line. Communicate it with confidence. And if the other party won't budge, move to Plan B without hesitation. Finally, we keep that BATNA in mind during the negotiation, so we never settle for less than our bottom line. That's the essence of using a BATNA with ChatGPT or any AI tool. It keeps you focused on what matters and ensures you never walk into a negotiation unprepared. If you want to see the entire demonstration of how I fed these prompts into ChatGPT, from listing all alternatives to finally selecting the best option, it's available right here on this channel. For those looking to replicate this method in your own negotiations, you'll find the exact step-by-step framework in AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3. It's packed with 88 tools like this one, so you'll always have a strategy ready, whether you're negotiating a real estate deal or planning your next business move. You can also find an elaborated guide to BATNA under the AI-powered Strategic Thinking Tools playlist on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and remember, a strong BATNA helps you negotiate like a pro by giving you the confidence to walk away if the deal isn't right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your eye on the channel for more AI-powered negotiation tips.